Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're going to be unboxing my Boxycharm. This box is huge this month. I think this might be the $35 one, $31, whatever it is, the step up. The premium, I think is what it's called. I think this is that. So let's go ahead and just dive right in. I'm going to open it up. I have already cut the plastic, the tape, whatever it's called. I can't do this. This box is too big. Okay, so, oh yeah, premium, that says right there. So there is a little foil thing here, not foil, what is this called, like foam? And there is the insides of the box. Okay, so right off the bat, the little card here, it says breaking the ice. We're not gonna look at that quite yet. We'll step up there. Ooh, I'm so excited. I just saw something that we're gonna save for last. Okay, what's this? Farsali? No way. This is liquid glass radiant serum with hyaluronic acid by Farsali. I have never tried anything by them. I'm pretty sure they're cruelty free, right? They have to be. I'm like 99% sure. Okay. And I ripped the box, go figure. What is this called? Radiant serum? Is there like a name? Oh, it's silver. I was not expecting that. Do you have to shake these? I don't know. These are the ones that you see like everybody like squirt on their face. I'm probably not gonna do that. Oh, there was a seal on there. I broke it. Ooh, that smells so good. That smells like citrus starburst kind of situation. Okay, there it is there. Oh wow, that smells so good. Very citrusy. I like that. Feels really nice, very soft, very smooth. What is this supposed to do? Radiant serum with hyaluronic acid. So is it radiating? Yeah, definitely is. Okay, I'm down with that. Very sticky though. Yeah, it's like tacky. Like I think it's meant to be under your makeup. I'm down with that though. Oh, how much is this? $54. Okay. Next thing is by Bliss. This is the Pore Patrol Deep Detox 4 Clay Souffle Mask. It is cruelty free. So what do? The silky souffle mask aerated with powerful clays detoxifies, controls oils, and minimizes the look of pores without that dry, tight feeling. Plus glycolic acid, it gently exfoliates to make sure pores don't clog up later. Hydrated and cooling, it's the ultimate way to refresh and smooth skin. That's awesome. Looks like, ooh, it's cold. Looks like this. It's like a foamy bottle. Smooth a thick layer onto clean, dry skin. Avoid the area. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Use thoroughly. Rinse thoroughly. Use 2 to 3 times per week. Okay. $18. That's not bad. Yeah, I'm down to try this. I definitely need my pores to look smaller than they are. So I'm down for that. I like the box. It's got like texture to it on the side here. Looks like paint spilled or like foam. That's cool. So next we've got the best brow kit ever by Billion Dollar Brows. Pretty sure they're cruelty free. Yeah, they're vegan and cruelty free. You guys can hear that like howling. The wind here is like crazy today. What shade are you? Do you have a shade? Universal Brow Pencil. I hate that. Okay, how much is this thing? $42 for this kit. I hate it when they say like universal brow pencil because I'm sorry, but somebody with blonde hair and somebody with my hair, it's not gonna work usually. So this is a little bit deceiving. The box is cut in half on the inside. What do we get in here? Looks like 4 pieces. We get a flat little brush here, down for that. It's really soft. I would use this for eyeshadow, not brows. I like a angled brush for my brows. And you get the pencil with a spoolie on the end. I do appreciate that. Yeah, see that looks like it'll work for me, but that's not gonna work for somebody who's like blonde. Yeah, it doesn't have a shade, it's just universal. So that's okay, I guess. You get a brow gel and a brow duo concealer and highlighter. That's cool. Oh, it's creamy. It's like double-sided pencil here. So one is supposed to conceal, one's supposed to highlight. I think the highlighter would be my concealer, but that's okay. So, I mean, I'm not like super stoked about this, but I'll try it for sure. I'm pretty sure I saw a spoiler on my Ipsy, and I'm pretty sure I'm getting this in my Ipsy, so that's sad. Next, this little guy. We got a Lolita blush by Kat Von D. This is cruelty free, and I'm pretty sure she's vegan too, right? Doesn't say, but I'm pretty sure her line is vegan. Oh yeah, I told you how much that was. This retails for $19 for this blush. Lolita is like her cult favorite liquid lip, isn't it? I'm pretty sure. Packaging's really cute. It says KVD on there. And then we'll pop this open here, maybe. Ooh, it smells disgusting. Okay. It smells like vitamins. It's really pretty though, really pigmented. It might be a little too dark for me. Yeah, we'll have to play with that, like actually on my face. It smells like the Flintstones chewable vitamins that I used to have as a kid. I don't like the way that smells. Okay. Next, this is by Tula Skincare. Keep It Clean Acne Foam Cleanser. Okay. They are cruelty free. Literally says we are cruelty free. This is a huge bottle. It's like bigger than my head. What is this? What do you do? $34. Effective yet gentle foam cleanser. Is where clear skin begins. 2% salicylic acid. Provides major acne clearing power, while superfood licorice helps brighten the look of past blemish marks. Okay. Alcohol and fragrance free. The cleanser treats regular or occasional breakouts, leaving skin looking soft and glowing. I don't really get acne on my face too often. This is a really pretty bottle though. But I mean, it'd be nice to have if I do get like a random breakout, but I don't know. Oh, I like the pump. I'm not super stoked about this, but that's okay. I'm sure someone that has like acne prone skin would be stoked for this because that's a huge bottle. Okay, now the thing that I saw in here as soon as I opened the box that I'm super excited for. This guy. I almost bought this, so I'm so glad I didn't. This is the Palm Springs Dreams Cocktail Party Eyeshadow Palette by Too Faced. Super cute packaging, the palm trees and like hotel room door. I like this a lot. This retails for $45. And you open it up and it's got the same hotel look theme to it. It doesn't have the palm trees, but it does have the rest. And then the back is like a reflective hot pink. Oh, so pretty. Okay, there are 12 shades in here. We get a mix of matte and metallic. Let me swatch some. Let's do Dirty Martini, Swizzle Stick. These don't feel as creamy as normal. Oh, there is one like satin shade in here too. And then She's Lit. Let's do that. The mattes feel real creamy. Okay. There's the swatches. Those are pretty, but I don't know. I was expecting like, what's that palette? The Chocolate Gold Bar palette. It's one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes, and when you swatch those metallics, they're like creamy. These really weren't, but they still look nice, and I'm still super excited about this, and I will definitely be using this in a video sometime soon. So that's it, you guys. I feel like I'm missing something. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I got everything. Okay, so let's do a quick little recap here. Palette, super excited for it. I will definitely be using this soon, so stay tuned for that. The Tula stuff, I mean, it's not a bad product to receive at all. It's like a cool thing, and Tula is a really nice brand. I just don't have a use for this, I guess, right now. I mean, maybe I will make the gods angry and they'll curse me with acne at some point in my life, but right now I don't have a use for it, but I'm still like, it's cool. The Versace stuff I'm really excited for. It's a really pretty bottle, and it's really hydrating and it feels really nice. I think it's gonna be really pretty under makeup, and I love the way it smells, so I am excited about that. Finally, pulling the little packaging off of there, but that's exciting. The Lolita blush. I'm on the fence about. Like, it looks like it's gonna be way too dark for me, but I'm definitely gonna try it out. I don't like the way it smells. That kind of freaks me out a little bit, not gonna lie. Yeah, it smells like the Manny MUA palette, the Coven one, the Witchcraft one, Spellbook. The Spellbook one that I was like, this smells weird. This smells just like that. So I still use that though, so I guess I'll use this too. And the Bliss stuff is cool. I mean, I'm gonna be real with you guys. I'm probably not going to use it hardly ever because I have a terrible skincare regimen, but I should use it. So maybe this will make me use it. And the $1 Billion Brow Kit, we'll see. I don't know yet. I'm either gonna love it or hate it, I think. I don't really love brow pencils. You guys know that. I'm wearing one right now though, but I mean, I'll try it. We'll see. We'll see. So overall, this was a pretty good box. Like, I'm not super excited about the one skincare thing, but that's okay. Like, the rest of this stuff is pretty good stuff. So there's the box, you guys. Whoa. So yeah, that's everything I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe before you go so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.